Welcome to this video about custom PDF reports in ABB Ability Building Analyzer. There are a few standard reports available under the Reports application. If you wish to create a custom one-shot report or a report template for schedule automatic sending, custom reports will be useful for you. Custom reports print results of multiple analysis features on the site, either to a PDF or a CSV file. In this video, we're going to focus on creating PDF reports. As you can see, you can customize your report by including an introduction, custom descriptions, and different types of graphs reflecting energy consumption over certain time periods. Now let's see how to build a custom PDF report. When you enter this section of the main menu, the reports which have already been created or shared with you will appear in this area. Let's create a report by clicking New Report. In the dialog window, first enter the report name. You can reference the meters, time periods, and sections contained within. Then you can select the template or start creating your custom report page by page. A PDF report consists of one or more sections. To add a section and specify its details, click Add Section. First, select a section type from the drop-down menu here. By clicking the options, you'll be able to see the preview. Then, enter a heading for the section that clearly describes the data contained within. Select a graph type in the next drop-down menu. The interval type can be set to minimum, day, month, or year. Note that certain intervals may not be available for certain types. For example, the pie chart type only has a daily interval option. You can also select a unit conversion, emissions or cost conversion, and normalization. Finally, here, you can insert any notes or comments to be displayed directly below the graph in this section. Under the Meters tab, click Add Meter and select the necessary meters from the list. You can also search for them from the search bar here or use the Attributes Query button to filter some parameters. When you're satisfied with your choice, click Add. Finally, under the last tab, click Add Time Period and select one or multiple time periods for your report. When you are satisfied with the section, click Add. You can edit or delete the section at any time with these two buttons. You can also add other sections to your report. Note that each different section must have at least 1 meter attributed to it. If multiple sections are based on the same meter, you will need to select the meter for each of the different sections. Note that in the same way, you need to specify a period for each individual section as well. You can reorder the pages as you like. Just drag and drop the corresponding section to the desired location. Finally, click Save. When your report is ready, you can download it immediately. It will also be available in your report list where you can download, edit, share, or delete it. You can also save it as a template to make the creation of similar reports much quicker. Your PDF templates will be available here. Now let's see how to schedule reports. Schedules allow reports to be generated automatically at certain intervals. To schedule PDF reports, go here in the drop-down menu and click the New Schedule button. In the dialog window, put a schedule name. Select whether you want your schedule to be paused or not. Add sections in the same way as for a new report. Under the Sharing tab, you can add share. and select the users with whom to share the report here through the list in the drop-down menu, or by entering the email address here. Next, configure the schedule by clicking here. You can choose between daily, weekly, or monthly frequency. Below, you can go into more details, refining the frequency to fixed days of the week, for example. You can also set a starting date and the period that the report covers. To see your report working, it's a good idea to set the starting date to sometime in the recent past, so that a report will be generated shortly. If left at today's date, we would need to wait for the next matching schedule period in the future before we could see a report and review it. When you finish the configuration, click Save. Building Analyzer will then generate an email with a link to the report according to the schedule.